When it comes to manifesting your desires, writing can be an incredibly powerful tool. By putting your thoughts and dreams into words, you create a direct link between your mind and the universe. This video will walk you through simple and effective ways to write your desires in a way that aligns with the forces of the universe, helping you bring your dreams into reality. Writing is a unique way of manifesting because it makes your desires tangible. When you write down your goals, you're not just thinking about them, you're physically putting them into the world. This act of creation marks the first step in turning a thought into a reality. It solidifies your intention and sends a clear message to the universe about what you want. One key to successful manifestation through writing is clarity. Be specific about what you want. Instead of vague statements like "I want to be happy," write down exactly what happiness looks like for you. Whether it's achieving financial stability, building meaningful relationships, or improving your health, clarity helps to create a focused energy around your desires. In addition to being clear, your written desires should be positive. The universe responds to the energy you put out, so avoid writing about what you don't want. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," write, "I am calm and at peace." This positive phrasing ensures that your focus remains on attracting the good things you seek. The more specific and detailed your writing, the more aligned you'll be with your desires. Describe your goals vividly. Imagine them as if they have already come true. Write about the emotions you'll feel, the experiences you'll have, and the changes that will occur once your desire is realized. This visualization strengthens your belief and increases the likelihood of manifestation. Gratitude is a powerful element in writing your desires. When you express gratitude for the things you want, you create a mindset of abundance. Begin or end your written desires by thanking the universe for bringing them into your life, even before they've fully manifested. Gratitude signals to the universe that you are ready to receive and appreciate what's coming your way. Another effective technique is to write in the present tense. Instead of saying, "I will have a fulfilling career," write, "I am enjoying a fulfilling career." This practice helps to align your current energy with the future you desire, making it feel as though it's already happening. The universe responds to this certainty by bringing your desires closer to you. Consistency is key when it comes to manifesting through writing. Consider making it a daily practice. Each day, take a few minutes to write down your desires, either in a journal or on a piece of paper. This daily repetition strengthens your intention and keeps your focus sharp, creating a strong connection between you and your goals. Writing your desires is also an opportunity for reflection. As you continue this practice, you may find that your goals evolve over time. Take a moment to review what you've written and see if it still aligns with your current desires. Adjust your writing as needed to reflect your true intentions. Revisiting your written desires regularly keeps them fresh in your mind. It also helps to reignite your excitement and motivation to work toward them. This practice serves as a reminder of what you're striving for and helps to maintain your focus on the end goal. If you ever feel discouraged, go back and read what you've written. Revisiting your words can provide a boost of confidence and motivation, especially when challenges arise. Your writing acts as a blueprint, reminding you of the path you're on and the vision you're working towards. You can also incorporate affirmations into your writing practice. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve your desires. As you write, sprinkle in affirmations like "I am capable of achieving my dreams" or "I am deserving of success." These statements help to build confidence and strengthen your connection to your desires. Trust the process. Once you've written your desires, release any attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf and remain open to receiving your desires in unexpected ways. Writing helps to set the intention, but it's important to let go and allow the universe to do its part in bringing your desires to life. Intentions are the foundation of manifestation. When you write with purpose, you give direction to your desires. Start by setting a clear intention before you begin writing. Think about what you want to achieve and why it matters to you. This intention acts as a guiding force that shapes your writing and aligns it with your ultimate goals. When setting intentions, focus on the feeling behind your desires. What emotions do you want to experience once your goal is achieved? Whether it's joy, freedom, or peace, anchoring your intentions in emotions helps to deepen your connection to your desires. Writing from a place of emotion infuses your words with powerful energy. Intentions are more than just goals. They reflect the deeper purpose behind your desires. By setting meaningful intentions, you ensure that your writing isn't just about material outcomes, but also about personal growth and fulfillment. This adds depth to your manifestation practice and helps you stay aligned with your true self. One of the most effective techniques for manifestation through writing is using the present tense. When you write as if your desires are already happening, you create a strong sense of belief and certainty. For example, instead of saying, "I will have financial success," write, "I am experiencing financial success." Writing in the present tense signals to the universe that you are ready to receive what you desire. It helps to align your energy with the outcome you want, making it feel more real and attainable. This technique trains your mind to think and act as though your goals are already a part of your life. In addition to enhancing belief, writing in the present tense keeps your focus on the now. It encourages you to live as if your desires are already unfolding, which in turn attracts more positive experiences and opportunities that support your manifestation journey. Affirmations are a key part of manifesting your desires through writing. These are positive statements that reinforce your belief in yourself and your goals. As you write, incorporate affirmations like, "I am worthy of love," or "I am attracting abundance effortlessly." These powerful phrases serve as reminders of your potential and keep you focused on success. When writing affirmations, be sure they resonate with you. Choose words and phrases that feel authentic to your experience. This ensures that your affirmations carry genuine energy, making them more effective in attracting what you want. Write affirmations daily to build confidence and reinforce your connection to your desires. Over time, affirmations become more than just words on paper. They shape your mindset, replacing doubts with belief and fear with faith. By consistently writing affirmations, you cultivate a positive mental environment that supports manifestation and allows your desires to unfold naturally. Gratitude is a powerful force in the manifestation process. When you express gratitude for your desires before they have manifested, you send a strong signal of faith and trust to the universe. Begin or end your writing practice by listing what you're grateful for, including both what you already have and what you are attracting. Writing about gratitude shifts your mindset to one of abundance. It helps you recognize the blessings in your life and opens the door for more to flow in. As you focus on what you appreciate, you naturally attract more positive experiences and opportunities aligned with your desires. Incorporating gratitude into your writing also creates a sense of fulfillment. Even before your desires fully manifest, you feel satisfied and content, knowing that you are on the right path. This contentment enhances your ability to receive and speeds up the manifestation process. Doubt can be one of the biggest barriers to manifesting your desires. Writing can help you release these doubts and replace them with faith. If negative thoughts creep in while writing, acknowledge them, but then rewrite them in a positive light. For instance, turn "I'm not sure if I can succeed" into "I am capable of achieving my dreams." Letting go of doubt also involves trusting the timing of the universe. Sometimes what we desire takes time to manifest. Use your writing practice as a way to reaffirm your trust in the process. Write statements like, "I trust that everything is unfolding for my highest good," to remind yourself that you're on the right path. The more you write with confidence and faith, the more you'll start to see doubt fade away. By actively choosing to focus on positive outcomes, you reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. This belief becomes a driving force that propels you toward success. Consistency is key when it comes to manifesting through writing. Make it a habit to write down your desires every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. This practice keeps your goals top of mind and strengthens your connection with the universe. Consistency also helps to reinforce your belief in the process. The more you write, the more you'll start to see small signs of progress. These signs act as encouragement, reminding you that your efforts are paying off. Stay consistent, and you'll soon notice how your writing practice transforms into real results. Another benefit of consistency is that it keeps your energy aligned with your desires. By regularly focusing on your goals, you maintain a positive and proactive mindset. This mindset attracts opportunities and resources that help to bring your desires to life. Manifestation is not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Writing your desires helps you stay engaged in the process and appreciate each step along the way. As you write, take time to reflect on your growth and the lessons you've learned. This reflection deepens your connection to your desires and helps you stay motivated. When challenges arise, use your writing practice as a way to stay grounded. Instead of focusing solely on the end goal, celebrate the small victories. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to manifesting your desires. The journey is just as important as the destination. Writing allows you to fully immerse yourself in the manifestation process, making each moment meaningful. By accepting the journey, you create space for more joy, growth, and fulfillment along the way. Writing your desires is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you manifest your dreams. By being clear, consistent, and positive in your writing, you create a direct line of communication with the universe. Whether it's through setting intentions, using affirmations, or cultivating gratitude, each practice brings you one step closer to realizing your desires. If this video has inspired you, consider liking and subscribing for more tips on how to manifest your goals and align with the universe's energy.